jigsaw puzzle. Here you have some pictures of some famous leaders, some famous Palestinian leaders. You are going to come and reorder the picture in order to get the correct picture. Then you are going to give me the name of this person. Okay, who would like to come here and play? Okay, let's start. Yes, please, Khadija. And yes, come. Yes, please. Yes, Suad. From here, yes, please. Okay. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Suad, number 1. What's the name? Okay. What? Number 2, Khadija. Number 3. Yasser Arafat. The last one, Mahmoud Abbas. Okay, clap your hands.